Welcome to the Crafty Hobbit channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. For those of you who have been patiently waiting for clocks, I do have some more available in the shop now. This video features one of the two newest clocks in the shop. They are both new without tags, and this particular one is a checkerboard pattern around the entire body of the piece. It has two cute little round feet in the front, and it just kind of angles back on its own body. Now it runs on one AA battery, and the size is approximately 6 inches in diameter, just a little bit shy of that, and it's 3 inches wide. So it has a nice wide frame to put a checkerboard pattern around. The body of this clock is hard plastic, but don't let that fool you. It has a crystal clear glass facing cover. It's absolutely adorable on a bedside table, a dresser, or even a mantle. It runs on one AA battery, and it runs silently, quietly. So if you're ready to pick up a tableside clock, the link is in the video description below. And if you want to see more items as they become available, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. That's all I have on this one, and we'll see you on the next one.